In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets formulas. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and select the cell where you want the result to appear. Next, type an equal sign, followed by the formula you want to use. For example, you can type equals sum, A1, A10, to add a range of numbers, or equals sum, B2, B4, to calculate the average. Press Enter to display the result. Now, click the cell with the formula and drag the fill handle in the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other rows or columns. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each new row or column. After that, explore other useful formulas such as equals if, equals count, equals max, equals min, and equals VLOOKUP, to analyze and organize your data more efficiently. You can also click the Functions button on the toolbar to browse available formulas. Finally, double-check your formulas to make sure the cell references are correct. As your data changes, Google Sheets will automatically recalculate the results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Sheets formulas. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.